Hi, my name is Saranjeet Kaur Bhogal. I'm very glad to present my work on algorithmic variants of nested sampling at JuliaCon 2021. I built this work as a part of Google Summer of Code 2020 with the Turing team of the Julia Language Organization. My mentors, Hongye and Cameron Piper, immensely helped and inspired me throughout this process. Miles Lucas, the package maintainer of nestedsamplers.jl, to which I contributed to this work, very patiently guided me to implement more code into this package. It has been a wonderful learning experience, which I will share now. Nested sampling is an algorithm that allows the user to generate samples from the posterior distributions and also to estimate the model evidence. The Julia package nestedsamplers.jl is inspired from the Python package Dynasty and its modular approach to nested sampling. Julia's multiple dispatch approach makes this implementation even more effective. I've written code for 3 proposal algorithms in this package: random staggering, slicing, and the random slicing proposal algorithms. The entire code is available on the nestedsamplers.jl repository on GitHub, and my final work product, the Google Summer of Code 2020 submission, can be viewed as the GitHub gist link. We now discuss the random staggering proposal algorithm. The image is a glimpse of the proposal.r stagger source code from GitHub. Although these algorithms can be used for any dimensionality, their performance will be best when they are selected according to the rules on the number of parameters. So, use the random staggering algorithm when the number of parameters to fit are in the range 10 to 20, both inclusive. Random staggering can be used as an alternative to the random walk proposal. However, the difference is that the step size here is exponentially adjusted to reach a target acceptance rate during each proposal in addition to between proposals. In this algorithm, a new life point is proposed by randomly staggering away from an existing life point. The next algorithm is the slicing proposal algorithm. The image is a glimpse of the proposals.slice source code from GitHub. The number of parameters to fit are greater than 20. This proposal algorithm can be used. This is a standard GIFs-like implementation where a single multivariate slice is a combination of univariate slices through each axis. Here, a new life point is proposed by a series of slices away from an existing life point. Next proposal algorithm is the random slicing algorithm. The image is a glimpse of the proposals.rslice source code from GitHub. Random slicing can be used as an alternative to the slicing algorithm. The polygon nested sampling algorithm is roughly equivalent to this. This is the standard random implementation where each slice is along a random direction based on the provided axis. Here, a new life point is proposed by a series of random slices away from an existing life point. As further work, more advanced proposals and bound alternatives will be provided in the nestedsamplers.jl package. Documents which illustrate the use of this sampler in various scenarios will also be created in the future. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.